The arterial blood supply to the heart is provided by two main vessels, the right coronary artery or the RCA and the left coronary artery or the LCA. These blood vessels and their main branches lie in the subepicardial connective tissue and supply all the regions of the heart. So let's go through these main branches quickly. The proximal RCA gives off a few branches. We have the conus artery as well as the atrial branches, which supply the anterior and the lateral surface of the right atria and right ventricle, as well as the SA node. Now, more distally, the RCA will give off some ventricular branches, most notably the right marginal branch, which supplies the inferior margin of the right ventricle going down to the apex. The RCA continues around the back of the heart where it becomes the posterior descending artery, which supplies the posterior right and left ventricle and posterior 1/3 of the interventricular septum. There is a branch that supplies the AV node as well as the rest of it anastomoses with the LAD, which is a branch of the left coronary artery, which we're going to go through now. So the LCA is larger than the right and supplies the majority of the heart. It originates from the posterior aorta and then goes in the left atrioventricular groove where it splits into two parts, the LAD and the left circumflex. Firstly, the LAD will run down the anterior interventricular groove where it then goes to the apex and then goes up behind the heart in the posterior interventricular groove where it anastomoses with the posterior descending artery that we already saw. Now the LAD supplies some of the right ventricle, but mostly the anterior part of the left ventricle as well as the septum and the apex. The left circumflex will go around the left atrioventricular groove where it gives off a branch, the left marginal branch, which supplies the left marginal left ventricle. The rest of the circumflex goes around posterior and supplies the posterior left atrium and the left ventricle. So let's put it all together in branches, the region of the heart, and if you had a blockage of the vessels, what effect would it have? So the LAD comes down the anterior, supplies the anterior wall of the left ventricle, 2/3 of the interventricular septum and the apex. So a blockage here would cause infarct to the anterior wall. The left circumflex is going around to the back, so it's going to supply the posterior left atria and the left ventricle, so that's associated with posterior infarcts, whilst the left marginals is the lateral marginal left ventricle, so it's about lateral infarcts. The RCA is anterior right atrium and right ventricle with some lateral aspects, as well as the SA node, so this would be associated with anterior and lateral infarcts to the right atrium and right ventricle. The right marginal is going down to the inferior portion of the right ventricle into the apex, so that's inferior infarcts. And finally, the posterior descending, which is going around the back and supplying the back of the heart, is associated with posterior infarcts.